Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English for Life channel, where we make learning English not just easy, but truly enjoyable and engaging. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and a big hello to everyone listening. It's absolutely wonderful to be here with you all today.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing this fine day?
I'm doing absolutely great. Thank you for asking. And how about you? You seem exceptionally happy today, Olivia.
Oh, I am indeed very happy. In fact, I'm quite thrilled about the topic we're going to dive into today.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's not just a good topic, it's a profoundly important one. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, exactly. But before we truly kick things off, everyone, please do us a favor and remember to hit that subscribe button for our channel.
And yes, please, don't forget to click that like button. And if you could, please share our podcast with your friends and family. It genuinely helps us reach more learners, and it truly makes a big difference. Okay then, Michael, are you all set? Are you ready to go?
I am absolutely ready.
So, what exciting topic do we have lined up for today's discussion?
Today, our central topic is a very common yet crucial phrase. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. That's a classic, isn't it? It's a question people encounter and ask all the time, practically everywhere.
They certainly do. You hear it in a new class, perhaps on your first day at a new job, or simply whenever you're introduced to new people. It's unavoidable.
It's so true. And honestly, sometimes it can be quite challenging to know exactly what to say or where to even begin.
That's why today we're going to break it down. We'll make it incredibly easy and enjoyable for everyone.
That sounds absolutely perfect. So who gets to kick us off? Is it you or me?
How about you take the lead? Michael, go on, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay. My turn first then. Where on earth do I even begin?
Let's ease into it with the simplest one. What is your name?
All right, my name is Paul. That's spelled P-A-U-L.
It's so nice to officially meet you, Michael. My name is Olivia.
And it's truly a pleasure to meet you too, Olivia. All right, moving on to our next revealing question. Where are you originally from?
Ooh, that's a great question. I am from Texas.
Texas. Wow, that's interesting. As for me, I'm from sunny California.
California. Very cool indeed. So tell me, do you live in a big city there?
I actually live in a charming small town. I genuinely enjoy it. It's wonderfully quiet and peaceful. What about you, Olivia?
I, on the other hand, live right in the heart of a big city.
It's incredibly busy and quite noisy. But despite all that, I absolutely love it. That's great. So a small town and a bustling big city. Quite different environments, reflecting different preferences.
Yes, they are. And continuing with your living situation, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a cozy small house, and it even has its own lovely garden.
A garden? Oh, I absolutely adore gardens. As for me, I live in an apartment. Is yours a spacious apartment?
No, it's actually a rather small apartment, but it's very comfortable and well-appointed. I quite like living there.
Good. Okay, so we've covered your name, where you're from, and where you currently live. What shall we tackle next?
How about we talk about age? Michael, how old are you, if you don't mind sharing?
Oh, of course, it's perfectly fine. I am 28 years old.
28, got it. And you, Olivia, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25, a wonderful age, if I may say so.
Thank you. I certainly think so too.
A student? How interesting. What exactly are you studying?
I study art. I absolutely love the process of drawing and painting. It's my creative outlet.
Wow, art. That is genuinely so cool and inspiring. Do you enjoy your studies immensely?
Yes, I absolutely adore it. It's incredibly fun and allows for so much creativity.
I can certainly see that. An art student and an English teacher.
Indeed. We make a rather perfect team for a podcast, don't you think?
Love it. Okay, let's take stock. We've covered name, place, age, and job. A student? How interesting. What exactly are you studying?
I study art. I absolutely love the process of drawing and painting. It's my creative outlet.
Wow, art. That is genuinely so cool and inspiring. Do you enjoy your studies immensely?
Yes, I absolutely adore it. It's incredibly fun and allows for so much creativity.
I can certainly see that. An art student and an English teacher.
Indeed. We make a rather perfect team for a podcast, don't you think?
Love it. Okay, let's take stock. We've covered name, place, age, and job.
What other fascinating details can we discuss?
How about we delve into the topic of family next?
Okay, family is indeed a wonderful and insightful topic. So, Olivia, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother, and his name is Ethan.
Ethan, is he older or younger than you?
He is older than me. He's 29, so that makes him exactly 1 year my senior.
Yes. And what about you, Michael? Do you have any siblings? I have one sister. Her name is Sophia.
Sophia. Oh, that's a truly beautiful name.
Is she older or younger than you?
She is younger than me. In fact, she's a student, much like yourself.
Oh, really? How interesting. What exactly does she study?
She studies music, and she's quite talented, playing the piano.
Wow, a music student and an art student? Your family sounds incredibly creative and artistic.
Yes, my family is indeed very creatively inclined. My mother, for instance, is a writer.
A writer? That is truly amazing. And what about your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor? Wow.
It sounds like you come from a very accomplished and wonderful family, Michael.
Thank you. Now, Olivia, if you don't mind, tell me a bit about your parents. What do they do?
My mother is also a teacher, actually. She specializes in teaching little children.
Oh, that's a truly vital and wonderful job, nurturing young minds.
Yes, it is. And my father is a chef. He works diligently in a restaurant.
A chef? That's fantastic. Does he often cook for you at home then?
Yes, he does. And I can assure you the food is always absolutely delicious.
I am genuinely jealous. That is so incredibly cool. Okay, so we've covered family. Now, how about we move on to pets?
Pets? Oh, yes, I absolutely adore pets. Do you have a pet, Michael?
Yes, I do. I have a wonderful dog.
A dog? Oh, I just love dogs. What's his name?
His name is Charlie. He's incredibly friendly and has such a funny personality.
Oh, Charlie. What color is he?
He's brown, a small, brown, and very happy dog.
Oh, that sounds so utterly cute. I definitely want to meet Charlie someday.
Love it.
Maybe one day that can happen. Do you have a pet, Olivia? Yes, I do. I have a cat.
A cat? Ah, so you see, we have another delightful difference between us, a classic dog person and a cat person scenario. It's true. Her name is Bella. Bella, that's such a lovely, elegant name. What does she look like?
She's black and white. She's typically very quiet and, I must admit, incredibly sleepy.
A sleepy cat. Well, that certainly sounds like a perfectly normal cat to me.
Yes, she pretty much sleeps all day long.
It's certainly a good life for a feline.
It truly is for a cat. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground now. Name, age, job, family, and pets.
Now, how about we shift our focus to things we genuinely like, our absolute favorite things?
That's a fantastic idea. This is definitely the fun part of getting to know someone.
Let's kick it off with food.
Yes. Okay, Michael, what is your ultimate favorite food?
This is actually a surprisingly difficult question. I genuinely like so many different foods.
Just choose one, Michael.
The hardest part is narrowing it down. Okay. I think ultimately my favorite food would have to be pizza.
Pizza. That's an excellent choice, I must say. I happen to love pizza too.
What kind of pizza do you typically go for?
I really enjoy a good vegetable pizza, loaded with fresh tomatoes, crisp peppers, and savory onions.
That sounds both healthy and absolutely delicious. As for me, I'm a big fan of classic pepperoni pizza.
A classic choice indeed. Very good.
So is pizza your absolute favorite food as well?
It's certainly one of my top favorites, but if I had to pick my number one ultimate favorite food, it would definitely be pasta.
Pasta is another fantastic choice. So incredibly yummy and versatile.
Yes, I truly love it. Okay, on to our next favorite thing. Michael, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, just like the expansive sky above us.
Blue is such a lovely calming color. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. What about you, Olivia? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green.
Like the lush trees and the vibrant grass in a thriving garden.
Exactly. I simply adore the color of nature itself.
That's beautiful. A blue sky and green grass, a perfect combination.
It certainly is. Okay, what's next on our list of favorites? Favorite animal.
Oh, this one is incredibly easy for me. My favorite animal is, of course, a dog.
I know, it's undoubtedly because of your beloved Charlie.
Yes, exactly. Dogs are just so loyal and endlessly friendly. I truly love everything about them. What about you, Olivia?
Is your favorite animal perhaps a cat?
Yes, I absolutely love cats. They possess such an elegant grace and a wonderful sense of independence.
Elegant. You know, that's a perfectly fitting word to describe cats.
They truly are. Okay, let's transition now to hobbies.
Hobbies, the wonderful activities we engage in purely for enjoyment and fun. This is a great topic. So, Olivia, what are some of your cherished hobbies?
Well, as I mentioned, I am an art student, so naturally my primary hobby is painting.
Of course.
Do you find yourself painting frequently?
Yes, I do, pretty much every weekend. It's a fantastic way for me to relax and unwind. I also really enjoy reading books.
Reading is indeed a fantastic and enriching hobby. What kind of books do you typically gravitate towards?
I especially enjoy storybooks. Adventure stories are definitely my favorite genre.
Adventure stories. How wonderfully exciting and immersive.
It truly is. What about you, Michael? What are your personal hobbies?
I have a few hobbies that I really enjoy.
For starters, I absolutely love listening to music.
Music? What kind of music do you typically listen to?
I'm quite fond of rock music, particularly classic old rock music.
Ah, very cool. And what else do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I also really like to play sports. I play soccer with my friends every Saturday.
Soccer? You sound like a very active person.
I certainly try to be. It's just so much fun to run around and play with friends.
That's great. So you clearly enjoy sports. Do you also like to watch movies?
Yes, I absolutely love watching movies, especially comedy movies. I mean, who doesn't love a good laugh?
Me too. Laughing truly is the best medicine. I also enjoy comedy movies, and I have a soft spot for animated movies as well.
Animated movies are indeed great. They showcase such incredible imagination and artistry.
Yes, and they are often so beautifully rendered visually as well.
This is truly great. We're learning so much fascinating information about each other.
I know, right?
It's almost as if we're giving a live demonstration of how to answer "Tell me about yourself" right now. Yes, we absolutely are. And we're giving a very, very comprehensive answer at that.
A very, very long answer indeed. Let's rack our brains for what else we can discuss.
How about we talk about things we don't like? It adds another dimension to our personalities.
Oh, that's a truly interesting angle. Okay, Michael, what is one food you genuinely don't like?
A food I don't like. Let me think for a moment. I really do not like olives.
Olives? Really? That's surprising. I actually quite like olives.
See? Another difference between us. I just don't particularly care for their taste. What about you, Olivia? Is there a specific food that you dislike?
Yes, there is. I genuinely don't like spicy food at all. Anything that's very hot.
Oh, I see. For me, a little bit of spice is perfectly okay. But when it gets to very, very spicy, I'll politely say no thank you.
Exactly. Okay, what about an activity you genuinely don't enjoy doing?
An activity I don't like.
I definitely do not like waiting in long lines.
Does anyone truly like that?
I honestly don't think so. It's just so incredibly boring and time-consuming.
I completely agree with you there. I don't like that either. Another thing I dislike is waking up extremely early.
Ah, so you're definitely not a morning person then.
No, not at all. I truly value my sleep.
I understand that completely. Getting enough sleep is indeed very important for well-being.
So this really is a fantastic way to describe yourself. You can openly share what you like and what you don't like.
Yes, that's a remarkably good point. It truly helps to showcase your unique personality.
For example, hello, my name is Michael. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I definitely don't like olives.
That's a great introduction. And I could say, hi, I'm Olivia. I'm a student. I love cats and pasta, but I don't like to wake up early. Perfect. It's simple, it's clear, and it's very friendly.
I think we have truly covered a lot of ground today. We've discussed name, where you're from, where you live, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes. Wow!
That is an incredibly comprehensive list of potential points for answering "Tell me about yourself." It's important to remember, though, you certainly don't need to say absolutely everything at once.
Oh no, absolutely not. That's a truly excellent tip. You have the freedom to choose. Perhaps you just state your name and your job.
Yes, exactly.
For instance, if you're in a new class, you might introduce yourself by saying your name and briefly explaining why you're learning English.
Exactly. You could say, "My name is Michael. I'm from California. I like to learn new things."
And if you're at a party, for example, you could casually say, "Hi, I'm Olivia. I love to paint and listen to music."
That's a truly great way to initiate a conversation with someone new.
It really is. The other person can then easily follow up by asking, "Oh, what kind of things do you paint?" Or "What music genres do you like?"
And just like that, a new friendship can begin. It truly all starts with that simple phrase, "Tell me about yourself." It's not a scary question at all. It's genuinely an invitation.
Yes, an invitation to share a little piece of yourself. That's such a beautiful and positive way to frame it.
I think it's been exceptionally nice to learn even more about you, Michael, through this conversation.
Me too, Olivia.
I've learned that you're an art student who absolutely loves pasta and the color green, and you have a wonderfully sleepy cat named Bella. And I've learned that you're a teacher who cherishes pizza and the color blue, and you have a very friendly dog named Charlie. This has been a very successful and illuminating conversation. Yes, it truly was, and I sincerely hope it was incredibly helpful and insightful for all our wonderful listeners out there. I hope so too.
Remember, everyone, you can absolutely use these simple and straightforward sentences to confidently talk about yourself.
Yes, don't be afraid to give it a try. Keep your answers simple, be clear, and most importantly, be friendly. That truly is the most crucial part.
That is absolutely perfect advice. And let's not forget, a warm smile is also incredibly important.
Always. Well, I think our delightful time together for today is almost up.
Wow, doesn't time just fly by when you're having so much fun?
It really does.
This was truly a great and engaging chat.
It certainly was. So before we sign off for today, we wanted to ask all of our amazing listeners for just a small favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode as much as we enjoyed making it, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, the Mr. English channel.
And please give this episode a big thumbs up, a like. It genuinely helps more people discover our podcast and join our learning community.
And please, please consider sharing it with anyone you know who is currently learning English.
Our goal is to help as many people as we possibly can on their language journey.
And now for our special question of the day. We want to invite all of you to practice.
Yes, absolutely. Head down to the comments section below and tell us a little bit about yourself. You can write just 1 or 2 simple sentences. For example, my name is your name. I am from your country. Or I like your hobby. Or even, my favorite food is your food. Feel free to share anything you'd like.
We would absolutely love to read all your comments and get to learn a little bit about each and every one of you.
Yes, it'll be so much fun to connect. Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you all. It was truly a pleasure having you. Stay safe out there and keep up with your practicing.
We will be back very soon with another fun and engaging episode. Goodbye for now, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Olivia.